Better than nothing. Mas mabuti na ang meron kaysa sa wala. LearnTagalogFilipino.com. Alam mo yung pakiramdam na hindi perpekto ang isang bagay, pero okay na rin kaysa wala. Ganun ba ang ibig sabihin ng mas mabuti na ang meron kaysa sa wala? Parang sinasabi mo, hindi ito yung gusto ko talaga, pero mabuti na rin kaysa walang wala. You know that feeling when something isn't perfect, but it's still worth having. That's what better than nothing means. It's like saying, this isn't exactly what I wanted, but at least I've got something. Halimbawa, gutom na gutom ka, pero ang meron lang sa mesa ay isang piraso ng pandesal. Hindi ito fancy na pagkain, pero nakakabusog. Mas mabuti na yun kesa magutom, di ba? For example, you're really hungry, but all you have on the table is a piece of bread. It's not a fancy meal, but it fills your stomach. That's better than going hungry, right? O kaya, wala kang oras para mag-ehersisyo ng matagal, 10 minutong paglalakad o 10 minutong paglalakad, mas okay na yon kaysa buong araw kang nakaupo lang. Or maybe you don't have time for a long workout, a quick 10-minute walk. That's better than sitting around all day. Minsan hindi perpekto ang ibinibigay ng buhay. Baka hindi ito yung trabahong pangarap mo, pero kahit paano, binabayaran ka nito ng bills mo. Kahit papaano, binabayaran ito ang bills mo. O kaya, nag-aaral ka ng bagong bagay, pero hirap ka pa rin. At least sinusubukan mo. Mas mabuti na yon kesa wala kang ginagawa. Sometimes life doesn't give you the best options. Maybe it's not your dream job, but it helps pay your bills. Or maybe you're learning something new and it's hard for you. At least you're trying. That's effort. That's being better than doing nothing at all. Halimbawa, nagtatrabaho ka sa isang lugar na hindi mo gusto. Iniisip mo bakit nandito ka pa rin? Pero naisip mo rin na ang sweldo mo ang bumubuhay sa pamilya mo kahit hindi ito perpekto, mas mabuti na rin kaysa sa wala kang trabaho. Say for example, you're working at a job you don't like. You think, why am I still here? But then you remember that your paycheck supports your family. Even if it's not perfect, it's better than being unemployed. O kaya nag-aaral ka para sa exam pero hindi mo talaga maunawaan ang lahat ng itinuturo. Iniisip mo, paano ba ako papasa? Pero habang nagsusumikap ka kahit papaano ay may natututunan ka. Mas mabuti na yun kaysa na sumuko ka kaagad. Or maybe you're studying for an exam but you don't fully understand everything being studied or taught. You think, how will I pass? But as long as you're trying, you're learning something, that's better than giving up entirely. Ang kasabihang mas mabuti ang meron kaysa sa wala ay paalala sa atin na ang maliit na bagay ay mahalaga rin. Hindi ibig sabihin nito na mag-settle ka na lang habang buhay. Ang ibig sabihin nito ay magpasalamat sa kung anong meron habang nagsisikap ka pa rin para sa mas maganda. The saying better than nothing reminds us that little things matter too. It doesn't mean you should settle forever. It means being grateful for what you have while still striving for something better. Halimbawa, nais mong mag-ipon para sa isang bakasyon kahit maliit lang ang naipon mo kada buwan. Iniisip mo, makakarating din ako. Ang bawat piso ay may halaga at mas mabuti na ang may ipon kaysa wala. For example, you want to save up for a vacation even if you're only saving a small amount each month. You think I'll get there eventually. Every little bit counts and it's better to have savings than none at all. Sa buhay, hindi lahat ng bagay ay madali o mabilis makuha. May mga pagkakataong kailangan mo ng tiyaga at pasensya sa ganitong mga panahon. Mas mabuti na ang meron kaysa sa wala. Ang magpapaalala na kahit maliit na progreso ay mahalaga. In life, not everything is easy or quick to achieve. There are times when patience and persistence are needed. In these moments, better than nothing reminds us that even small progress is valuable. Oo, hindi ito laging ideal. Minsan pakiramdam mo parang kapos na kapos, pero alam mo, kahit maliit na hakbang paabante, hakbang pa rin yun. At sino ang nakakaalam, yung meron mo ngayon magdala pa ng mas maganda bukas. Sure, if it's not always ideal, sometimes it feels like you're just scraping by, but you know what? Even a small step forward is still a step forward. And who knows that something you have now might lead to something better tomorrow. Kaya kahit gaano kaliit ang meron ka, pahalagahan mo. Ang mahalaga, gumagalaw ka. Mas mabuti na ang may ginagawa kaysa wala. So no matter how small it is, appreciate what you have. What matters is that you're moving forward. It's always better to do something than nothing at all. If you like this kind of podcast, this kind of listening and reading practice, you may want to support us on Patreon, patreon.com/, Learn Tagalog Filipino. And all the lessons are on learntagalogfilipino.com. And thank you to our supporters. Name